Hey guys, it is Keisha here on Keisha Knows Nothing, or a little bit of something. Today's video is a natural hair goal check-in video. Some of you, if you are subscribers, then you know I made a hair goal back in January. So this video is just checking in on said goal. If you are not a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe and thumbs up this video. If you thumbs it up, it allows more people to see the video. Like I said earlier, I made a hair goal in January of this year, and for the most part, it was just so my hair can be healthy. That was the main point of the goal, was for healthy hair, and of course, length comes with the growth and all of that. I just want to share what I have been using lately. I don't know whose page I was looking at on Instagram, but it was someone with a similar hair type as mine, which is type 4. And she had shared a brand called Innersense. And so I looked them up, looked into the ingredients into most of their products. I decided to try one of their shampoos and conditioners. And thankfully they had a, I guess it's a travel size bottles, which is great because I think travel size bottles is also trial size in my opinion. I think it's a great way to try products without spending a lot of money. So I always look for a travel size on a website if it's a product I have not heard of or I haven't used yet. So what I purchased was the hair bath, and that's the shampoo, and I also purchased the moisturizing conditioner. So what I will say is I loved the hair bath. It was so moisturizing, and it just felt different than any other shampoo that I've used. Like, it just felt so creamy. It cleaned my scalp, it cleaned my strands without stripping them at all. I mean, as soon as I started using it, the very first time, I was like, ooh, this is nice. I like this. So I really liked it. The conditioner as well, it's a good conditioner. I wouldn't say it's the best, but it's definitely up there. A lot of the ingredients are very natural, so I felt pretty good about using them on my hair. I've also deep conditioned with the conditioner. I've used it as just a regular rinse out conditioner, and I've also deep conditioned with it. And I could say that deep conditioning with it is probably better than just rinsing it out. At least that was my experience. The price point for the products is a little higher. I'm not sure if they are on store shelves yet. I haven't seen them anywhere. So I think you do have to buy them online. So that may be part of it, but also because they do have some really nice ingredients in them. But a little goes a long way with these products. So especially the shampoo, I was really surprised. I am probably on my last wash day with the shampoo and conditioner in the travel size. One product that I'm also still using that I mentioned in that hair goal video is the Mielle Organics Rosemary Mint Strengthening Shampoo. I'm still using it, but not lately as much, just because of the I purchased the Innersense hair bath. But I did use it this most recent wash day. I used it as my first shampoo, and then I followed up with the Innersense shampoo after I rinsed this out, and I think that duo worked. I don't know, I just wanted to try something different. One product that I am not using that I mentioned in that last video, excuse me guys for my throat, but it's the Mielle Organics Rosemary Mint Strengthening Hair Mask. You guys, I really wanted to love this. I did use a good amount of it, several wash days as you can see, but it felt like it was just sitting on top of my hair, and I wasn't feeling that. Like, it just didn't feel like it was giving me the moisture that I wanted, and it just felt like it was just, even when I used heat, it just felt like it was sitting on top of my hair. Another item I stopped using as much is the oil. I mentioned that in my last video. That's also from the same product line. I stopped using that as much because of the smell. I have a sensitive nose, you guys. I don't know what to say. The rosemary and the mint, especially the rosemary, was just too strong. So I stopped using it. I still have it. I'll probably use it at some point when I have some braids or something, but it's just one of those things that for me, I'm like, I just can't. I just can't. Like, it bothers me over time. My nose is sensitive. What can I say? A product that I did pick up, a deep conditioner, because I have to replace that other one. And I mentioned this in my haul video about a week or two ago. And that is the Thank God I'm Natural Miracle Repair Deep Hydrating Hair Mask. Or Thank God It's Natural. I knew I was gonna get that wrong, y'all. And I did it anyway. I think I got this from the beauty supply store, my local beauty supply store. But I love the ingredients list in here, and it smells so good. I mentioned that in my haul video, how good it smells, but it smells, oh, it smells so good. It smells so, so good. So I've been using this and my hair really seems to like it. Also, one thing I want to mention is I stopped using butters. I don't really use any hair butters or hair gels. I haven't in the last 3 weeks or so, 3 or 4 weeks. Pretty much since I started using the Innersense products. I don't know. A part of me was like, I'm tired of the hair butter and the hair gel situation. It was just irritating me with the flaking and things like that, and having to have the right amount of product, the right amount of water, and you know, you had to make sure you do it this way, or if you don't, because you're gonna get flakes if you don't. And y'all, I decided to steer away from gels and creams right now, or butters, I should say. Right now, I'm not doing any type of challenge. This is just for me and my own sanity. So that's what I have been doing. I think my edges are pretty happy with me. They haven't necessarily like bounced back in fullness or anything. I've never had super full edges, but I just think they probably feel a lot better, a lot less suffocated right now. Speaking of what I am using though to style my hair, including this twist out that I have right now, is the TGIN Essentials Natural Hair Almond and Avocado Curl Enhancing Mousse. And this is just a setting mousse or something like that. Yes, it foams up. It does have the foam pump, which is great and convenient. That's what I've been using. I just rake that through my curls and then do my little twists, and I do braid at the root and then I start to twist. So that's what I've been doing. It's been working for me, you guys, and no flaking. I also add water. I have a mixture of spring water and aloe vera juice, and this is the aloe vera juice that I have been using. I ordered mine from Amazon, but I think you can buy this at Whole Foods or any type of healthy food store. And this is Lily of the Desert aloe vera juice. Whole leaf, filtered, and what I usually do is put about 1/4 of a cup, I guess, or yeah, about 1/4 of a cup into my spray bottle, and then the rest, the other 2 to 3 cups, is just spring water, just regular spring water. Mix it up, and then I use that throughout the week whenever I want to kind of refresh my hair and moisturize it throughout the week here and there, basically in the mornings when I'm getting ready for work. When I'm on the 4th or 5th day of my twist out, it slowly wants to fro out, of course. So I let it do its thing for the most part, or I put it in my 2 flat twists, which you guys have seen in a couple of videos. It's just 2 flat twists to the back. So I've been doing that, and to lay my edges down, I just use the foam, water, foam, and then wrap my hair in a silk scarf. My routine has been very simple. I have been trimming my ends here and there, dusting them here and there. I'm sure I need to do some more of that. I can tell. I've been doing that, and that's it. And minding my business and drinking my water. That's it. That's all I've been doing. That's it, you guys. That is my update. That is my hair update on my hair goal for 2023. So I hope you enjoyed this video and you enjoyed the footage in this video. I didn't want to record too much. If any of you have used any of these products, please comment below. Let me know how they're going for you. Let me know if you like them or if you don't like them, and all of that good stuff. And if you have any recommendations for products for type 4 hair, let me know in the comments. I want to hear from you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.